Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Have you heard about a dragon? What is a dragon? A dragon is a mythical creature believed to have superpowers. A dragon is found in folklore in many countries. In the Eastern cultures, such as in Southeast Asia and China, a dragon is usually portrayed as a kind, benevolent creature. Whereas in Western cultures, a dragon is portrayed as an evil creature. So today we are going to learn the chapter 4, the four dragons, and this is a folk tale presented in the form of a picture story. And what is a folk tale? A folk tale is a story that is passed on to generations and generations by mouth based on their customs, beliefs and tradition. So this story, The Four Dragons, describes the kindness of four dragons towards the people of Earth, and it also describes the origin of the four large rivers in China according to the folklore. So one day, four dragons were playing in the sky. They overheard the people of the earth crying and praying to God to send them rain so that their crops will grow and their children will not go hungry. Hearing this, the four dragons go to the Jade Emperor to request him to send the rain. But the Jade Emperor was not happy to see them, and he promised he will send the rain the next day. But the rains were not sent as promised. This story shows what the dragons did next to bring the rain and how it affected them because of their decision. So let's move to the story. So now all of you please take your English reader, turn to page number 51. You can see the heading, The Four Dragons. The first page, it's a warm-up session there, and you can see a picture there. You have to look at the picture and answer these questions. There are a few questions given there, and go through the questions. Do you know what this is? What does it look like? Yeah, a few questions over there. Go through these questions. You can answer these questions to your parents or your friends or family. You can do this as a warm-up session. So once you are done that, we can start reading the story. You can pause the video, finish the warm-up session and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's read the story. Page number 52. Above the eastern sea, four dragons are playing hide and seek. Suddenly, one of them notices something on earth. Come here quickly. See, do you see the picture of four dragons happily playing hide and seek in the clouds? And they were playing and suddenly they noticed something on the earth. What did they see? The other three dragons stopped playing. They looked down towards earth. What's up? See? One dragon called the other three dragons and said, come here quickly. And the other three dragons stopped playing and asked, what is happening there? What's up? Earth has dried up. People are praying for rain. Oh God, please send some rain so that our children have rice to eat. So what did they see when they looked down onto the earth? They saw people crying and the people were praying to God to send them rain so that their crops will grow and their children can have food. The people are hungry. They will die if there is no rain. We should go to the heavenly palace and request the Jade Emperor to send rain and help the people. Let's go. So what did the dragons say? The dragons felt very bad for these people. They felt very kind towards these people. So they decided, since if people are not eating for a long time, they might die of hunger. And because of it, they decided to go to the Jade Emperor who lives in the heavenly palace to request him to send them rain. The dragons meet the Jade Emperor. He is not pleased to see them. He is listening to the music of the fairies. So when the dragons went to the heavenly palace to meet the Jade Emperor, and who is an emperor? Emperor means a male ruler to an empire. Empire means a group of states. So when they went there to meet the Jade Emperor, he was listening to the music of the fairies. and he was not happy that the dragons came there to meet him. And the dragons told him, "We bring bad news from the earth. The crops there are withering and dying. We request you to send rain quickly." And the dragons told the Jade Emperor that they have brought some bad news from earth. And what was the bad news? They said that on the earth, the weather was drying up, or the crops were withering. Withering means dry up or decay. The crops were withering and the people were starving. They requested the Jade Emperor to send them rain quickly. "I have heard you. Now go back. I will send some rain by tomorrow. Thank you, Your Majesty." So, the Jade Emperor, the king, promised them, assured them that he has heard them and he will surely send the rain by the next day. 10 days have passed. The earth is still dry and the people are praying for rain. Some are eating dried grass and roots. The Jade Emperor does not really care. It is up to us to help the people or they will die. See, look at the picture. The dragons are looking down at the people on the earth from the sky. And even though the Jade Emperor had promised to send the rain by the next day, even after 10 days passed, there were no rains. So, since there were no crops, people had started eating dried grass and roots. The 4 dragons felt very bad for them. They felt pity for them. And they said that the Jade Emperor is not a caring person. He is uncaring, selfish and unkind. And they decided that they should do something. The dragons should do something about this to eliminate the hunger of the people. Suddenly, one of the dragons looks out to sea. See, suddenly one dragon is looking into the sea and he says, "I have an idea." And let's see what that idea is. "There is so much water in the sea. Let's scoop it up and spray it towards the sky. The water will fall like raindrops and save the people." So, what was his idea? When he saw so much of water in the sea, he thought they can scoop up. Scoop means pick up and move to some other place. They can scoop up some water from the sea and spray it towards the sky, so that the sprayed water will fall like raindrops on the earth, so that the people can grow crops again. And the other dragon said, "Good idea, let's go." The dragons decide to bring rain to the people on earth. So they have made the decision that they should do something about not having the rains. So they scooped up some water from the sea and sprayed it towards the earth. "It's raining, it's raining." See, the people are so happy and they started rejoicing to have the rains. The land is green again. The sea god raises his head angrily. He then goes to speak to the Jade Emperor and tell him what the dragons have done. See, the dragons have scooped up the sea water without asking the permission of the sea god. And was he happy about this? No, he got angry with the dragons. So what did he do? He went to the Jade Emperor to complain about the dragons to the Jade Emperor. "Dragons took water from my sea. They have sent rain to the people. How dare they bring rain to earth without my permission? I will teach them a lesson." So, the sea god complained to the Jade Emperor that the dragons have took water from the sea without his permission and they sent rain to the people on earth. And Jade Emperor was also angry with this. He thought, why did they do this without his permission? The 4 dragons are brought to the palace in chains. They are scared. These dragons are very kind. Imprison them under huge mountains. Their punishment will be to lay trapped on earth for the rest of their lives. So, the dragons were brought to the heavenly palace to the Jade Emperor. They were brought chained and they were really scared about the punishment the emperor was going to give them. But instead of giving harsh punishments, what did he do? He understood why the dragons did so and he gave them a kind punishment. What was it? The emperor ordered to imprison the dragons under huge mountains. Means he ordered to leave the dragons under the mountains and they will be living there, or they should live there for the rest of their lives. Although they are punished, the dragons are happy. They want to be useful to the people on earth. Even though they got such a punishment, they were really happy that they were not locked up and they could still help the people on earth. So the 4 dragons turned themselves into rivers so that they could keep the land green and fertile and continue to help the people on earth for the rest of their lives. So what did the dragons do? From the mountains, they turned themselves into 4 rivers so that they can help the people whoever lived on the banks of this river. And they still continue to help the people on earth. Children, I hope you enjoyed this story. You can go through the story once again. And before we wind up for the day, let's see the new words that we saw in this chapter once again. You may please take your notebook and note down these words in your notebook. Let's see the first one, wither. Wither means to dry up. And there is one sentence given here with the word. You can note down the word, the meaning and the sentence in your notebook. Wither, dry up. The grass has withered in the summer heat. Means the grass has dried up in the summer heat. What's the next word? Scoop. Scoop means to pick up and move. I scooped the grain into the bag. I scooped the ice cream into the bowl. Hope you are clear with these words. Now, spray. Spray means to scatter something with great force. The children sprayed each other with horses. Emperor. Emperor means a male ruler of an empire. The emperor lived in the palace. Hope you are clear with these words. Make sure you note down these words in your notebook and be clear with the meaning, and make sure you know how to use the word in a sentence. Let's see what is the activity for the day. In page number 50, you can see these activities. Do and learn. The first question, folk tales are traditional stories. Read a folk tale and share it with your friends. So what you have to do, with the help of your parents, do research on folk tales and you have to read one folk tale from any tradition. Once you have read the folk tale, please do send that link through Teams. The next question is, find out what the Chinese folk tales say about dragons. So like I said before, in the Eastern cultures such as in China and Southeast Asia, the dragons are portrayed as kind creatures. Whereas in Western cultures, the dragons are usually portrayed as evil creatures. So you can do more research on how the Chinese people consider dragons in their folk tales. You can do more research on that with help of your parents. Now, the next is, Peter has a great laugh. Have you seen a rabbit? What color was it? What do rabbits eat? So some of you might have rabbits at home as pets. See, here instructions are given, pictorial instructions are given to make an origami rabbit. We can use a paper to make an origami rabbit and take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We will meet in the next class. Until then, bye.